The reality that no one is talking about. The industry is changing faster than talent can keep up. The digital marketing world is going through one of the biggest transformations we've ever seen, and it's happening so fast that companies can't even keep up. Every industry, every business, every brand, every nonprofit, they're all moving towards digital first, everything. But here's the part most people never hear about. There isn't enough skilled digital marketers to fill the jobs that already exist. And the gap is widening every single year. This isn't speculation. It's not something coming in the future. It's happening right now. And it's affecting companies, consumers, and careers at every level. Understanding the digital skills gap. At the center of this talented shortage is a very real, very measurable skills gap. Not the small one, but one massive one. Let's break this down, what this actually means. Traditional marketers versus digital specialists. For years, companies relied on seasoned marketing professionals, people who built brands, managed teams, ran campaigns, understood the consumer. Their experience was invaluable. But when the world changed, marketing shifted to digital. There's SEO, there's paid ads, there's performance marketing, analytics, automation, email funnels, AI-driven content, social platforms evolving every 90 days. And suddenly, the experience that carried the industry for decades wasn't enough anymore. These senior marketers have powerful strategic minds, but they often lack the technical digital skills needed to lead in today's landscape. Secondly, younger digital natives aren't the complete answer either. Now, at the same time, we have younger digital natives. They grew up online, they can navigate platforms faster, they understand trends, but many of them lack business experience. They lack customer psychology, strategic planning, leadership skills, industry knowledge, long-term thinking. So companies are facing a double-skilled gap. The experienced lack new skills, and the new lack experience. That's the talent shortage, and it's becoming a crisis. The silver tsunami, the retirement wave that changed everything. Now, let's add the second factor, one that is hitting every industry, not just marketing. Baby boomers are retiring fast. We can call this the silver tsunami. And it's not just a few people leaving the workforce, it's millions. COVID accelerated it, burnout accelerated it, lifestyle changes accelerated it. Health concerns also accelerated this leave. Companies lost decades of knowledge almost overnight. What was lost? Intuitional memory, client history, market insights, relationship management, strategic thinking, leadership experience, decision-making, mentoring, and stability. You can't replace that in 6 months. You can't teach that in a course. You can't hire your way out of it. And this retirement wave is far from over. By 2030, 1 in every 5 workers in North America will be 65 and up. This means something very important. The gaps are going to get even bigger before they get smaller. Companies will compete harder for people who have digital skills. People who upskill now will have a massive advantage. The high demand for digital marketing skills. Now, let's talk about the demand side. Digital isn't just a department anymore. Digital is the customer journey. From the moment a person searches for a problem, reads a blog, watches a video, sees an ad, clicks a link, follows a brand, signs up for an email, or it makes a purchase, digital touches every single step. And companies are desperate for people who understand how to manage that digital ecosystem. Here are the skills currently in highest demand: paid advertising, SEO, content strategy, funnel building, analytics and data, email marketing, conversion optimization, social media, automation, AI-driven content production. A joint report by the Economics Group and the Digital Marketing Institute found something astonishing. 74% of marketing executives say they face a critical talent shortage, not a mild shortage, not a temporary shortage, a critical shortage. This is why salaries keep rising, why job postings stay open for months, and why companies are practically begging for upskilled talent. And why people over 50, yes, people like you and I, have a huge opportunity. Because the industry needs two things that you can bring to the table. Number one, digital skills, and number two, real world experience. This combination is rare and incredibly valuable. The role of AI. It's not taking jobs, it's changing them. A lot of midlifers worry that AI is going to replace them, but here's the truth. AI isn't taking away jobs, it's taking away tasks. Repeating tasks, manual tasks, time-consuming tasks. What AI is doing is freeing marketers to focus on what humans do best: strategy, creativity, decision-making, emotional intelligence, storytelling, leadership, problem-solving, and customer relationships. New roles are emerging every day: AI content editor, AI strategists, prompt engineers, automation architects, data-driven marketer, AI assistant creator. And the companies need people with the ability to combine AI with business understanding. You know who is perfect for those roles, right? People who already understand people, people who have lived experience, people who have worked with customers, who have solved problems, people who can think critically, people who show up consistently, people who know how to communicate, people like you. How companies are responding to the shortage. To keep up with the skills gap and the retirement wave, companies are getting creative. Number one, higher salaries and bigger opportunities. Companies are offering higher starting salaries, retention bonuses, performance incentives, remote flexibility, flexible part-time digital roles, because finding skilled marketers is getting harder every year. Flexible work arrangements. Remote work opens the doors. Hybrid roles become standard. Consulting roles exploded. Companies no longer care where you live. They care what you can do for them. Upskilling programs and digital training. Companies now pay for digital training because it's faster to train existing people than hiring new ones. Phased retirement programs. Older workers aren't just valued, they're needed. Some companies offer flexible mentor or advisor positions so seasoned professionals can guide younger marketing teams, tech strategy, transfer knowledge, build bridges, and support transition. The combination of experience and new digital skills is becoming the most powerful asset in the industry. What that means for midlifers. So let's talk about what that means for midlifers like you. If you're in your 50s or 60s and you think you're too late to start something new, you are exactly the person the industry needs. Companies are searching for people who have life experience, work experience, critical thinking, maturity, reliability, and strong communication skills, customer insight, and leadership ability. These are skills AI can't replace. These are strengths people under 30 are still learning. And when you combine these strengths with digital skills, even beginner level skills, you become incredibly valuable. This is why so many midlifers are now starting online businesses, becoming digital marketers, moving into remote consulting positions, shifting into online income streams, monetizing digital skills, learning AI assisted marketing, building digital assets, becoming freelancers, creating digital products, selling master resale rights programs, because the opportunity is real, the demand is real, and it's very high, and the timing has never been better. The lifestyle opportunity for midlifers. But let's shift this from industry talk to real life. Here's what digital income actually gives you. You're going to have more time with your grandkids. You're going to have less pressure than a 9 to 5. You'll have a way to save for retirement faster, a chance to work from anywhere in the world, a path to build financial security, a chance to do meaningful, flexible work, no more fear about living a fixed income. The digital marketing talent shortage isn't just a business problem, it's a door opening, especially for people who feel behind, overlooked, or underestimated. The world is shifting, the industry is shifting, the opportunity is shifting, and midlifers, we're in the perfect place at the perfect time. The future belongs to those who upskill. The most important takeaway here is simple. The gap is growing, the demand is growing, and the opportunity is growing. But here's the catch. You have to decide to upskill now. You have to decide to learn the digital skills that the industry desperately needs. You have to decide to step into the opportunity instead of watching it pass you by. Companies aren't looking for perfection. They're looking for the people who are willing to learn, people who are committed, people who are showing up, people who understand people, people who are ready to build something real. And that means people exactly like you. If you're feeling the pull to create more security, more freedom, and peace of mind going into retirement, and you're ready to learn the skills that are in demand right now, this is the time to start. Go look at the Freedom Formula Blueprint down in the link below. All the information is there, and you can also join my community that's listed down in the links below.